Hello, my fellow YouTubers. Hey, just another day here showing you what's up with these Chrysler 300s. Mine is a 2013. I didn't get in a wreck. This is what you have to go through to change this fella right here. Yes, I took it to a dealership to get an oil change. And then all of a sudden, the next day, this guy just decides to get a leak somewhere down. This is the bottom side, somewhere on here. So I learned that you have to take everything apart. This guy's connected to here. We've got little screws on the side here. We got a screw there, screw there, screw there. While I'm at it, I'm changing out my hoses. I've got 140,000 miles on this car. There's the other new hose. I went ahead and changed out the belt, so I don't have an issue, but look at that. Interesting. Oh, seems like I have a little leak there. Okay, well now I know I have to change a gasket there. But yeah, the new radiator is in. It's not a super fast task, but you got to do your due diligence and take some stuff apart. Don't rush it. I'm estimating something like this for someone to repair it. I say a minimum of $300, $350 because it is a lot of stuff. But it's on. Time to plug everything back in. Time to put all the little plastics and everything back together. And I hope this helps you guys. And by the way, if you guys don't know where your power steering fluid is, I can't really see it through here, but it's in that section. You have to take this tire off. You have to take this guy off here, and it's in there somewhere. So if you have issues with your power steering, don't let the dealership charge you $1,000 to change out your pump, because it's not your pump. Oh, see, there it is. It's right there. This thing needs power steering, and yeah, they try to charge you $1,000 to switch it out, which just needs power steering. All right, until next time, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe and show some support. Thank you.